What's up guys, it's me Umair. So the question is that BTECH versus BS in computer science. Let me read you the question. Hello sir, I'm a little bit confused to choose between BTECH and BSc. Well, I'm a science student and want a good career. Please guide me. If you don't know, BTECH stands for Bachelor of Technology and BS stands for Bachelor of Science and Computer Science. Technically, Bachelor of Science hold more value than Bachelor of Technology. That is a fact. Bachelor of Science is going to have more applied mathematics, more pure mathematics, more algorithm, more data structure compared to Bachelor of Technology. Bachelor of Technology is a little bit lighter on mathematics, but it's still hard, not that easy. If you are not good at mathematics, go with the BTECH. If you are good with mathematics, your brain work like a ninja, go with the BS. It was me, Jimmy. If you have any more questions, my email address is in the description box. But check out the links in the description box below. Follow me on Facebook. I mean, if you want to use a web hosting company, use HostGator. Subscribe and bye. Let me have a cup of tea. Yeah. Now what you're watching for. Bye.
Hey, 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 hey.